We'll design the binary counter using T flip-flop. Here we are using 3 flip-flop. So it counts starting from 0 to 1 1 1. This is the counter design. Now we'll see how to design. This is the present state. Okay, flip-flop A taken this side, and next flip-flop B here and C. Starting from 0 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now the next state becomes, that means first state is initially 0, so the next state becomes 1, that is C plus B plus A plus. Next state represents, that is 0 0 1. Starting it is 1, and then 0 1 0 next state. Next 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. Now back again, it counts 0. This is the next state. Now we'll see using T flip-flop. So what will be the T flip-flop inputs? That is depending on the excitation table. As we have discussed in the previous video, excitation table of T flip-flop. What is the excitation table of T flip-flop is Qn plus 1 represents next state, or you can take Q plus, okay, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. What will be the T excitation table? That is, if both are same, the output is 0. If inputs are different, output is 1. Now we'll fill this according to this. First TC. T flip-flop C, same as TB. T A flip-flop. A flip-flop, B flip-flop, C flip-flop. Okay, we are using T flip-flop. So excitation table using this. Now we'll write what is TC. 0 0 0 0, same means 0. So same 0. Again same 0. Same 0. Different, so we'll get 1. Next same 0. Same 0. Same 0. Different 1. This is what the TC. Now we'll see TB. 0 0, same 0. 0 1, different 1. 1 1, same. 1 0, different. 0 0, same. 0 1, different. 1 1, same. 1 0, different. Same as TA. A, present state, next state A. 0 1, so different. So 1, different 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 1. Okay, this is the what are all the inputs for the flip-flops depending on this table. Now we'll find out what is TC, that means T flip-flop C, and next B flip-flop, A flip-flop. Now we'll see what will be the inputs. Taking the K map. Consider the K map for TC. This side A, BC. B bar C bar, B bar C, B C, B C bar. This side A bar A. Now we'll write the values. That is for all zeros 0. That is for all zeros 0. Next A B C. That means A B C. A is 1. So A is 1. B C 0 0. Here you need to place the next value 0. Next same as 0 1 0. That means B is 1. B is 1 and A C 0. B C bar here. So we'll place next 0 here. Next C bar AB. C bar AB. This is C bar AB. So the next value 1. Next 1 0 0. That is C is 1 and AB 0 0. So the next value is 0. Next value is 0. The next value is 0 and finally all ones A, B, C 1. Now we'll get, that is TC is equal to A is constant and from this B is constant, C is changing. So B. This is for the T flip-flop, that is C flip-flop. Input is A dot, that is AND with B. A AND with B. So take here AND gate and give the input, that is one input from B and other input from A. Yes, AND gate. Okay, one input for AND gate is from B and other input is A, and given the output for C flip flop. Now same as we'll consider for B flip flop B, TB. This is the flip flop TB. Okay, 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Now it is a quad. Quad means this side BC eliminated and only A remains the same. So TB is equal to A. That means the B flip flop input is A. So okay, now we'll give for B flip flop, give the input A. From A we have given the B flip flop input. Same as now we'll design K map for TA, all ones. So octet. Octet eliminates 3 variables. So TA, what is the input of first flip flop A is 1. That is directly we can give 1 as an input here. This is how to design the synchronous counter using T flip flop. Likewise, we can design by using D flip flop, SR flip flop or JK flip flop, because we have seen already excitation tables for all the flip flops J, JK, SR, T flip flop, D flip flop. This is how to design the synchronous binary counter using T flip flop.